Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we'll try to explore one more new challenge. So this challenge I picked from the UiPath forum. So basically someone has raised this ticket. So want to extract the links of the video in the channel. So generally they will type something here and they got some channel links like this. So from that they want to extract the data. So when you check here sometimes you got only the URL but not getting the full name. So, and one more question that's say related to the same thing. So they tried this, but they are not able to get this name of the channel. So just they are getting the URL, but not getting the name of the video or name of the channel, whatever it may be. So it's not getting. So we'll make it as a solution for this. So we'll try to explore how we can do this with one. So first of all, I'm going to the browser here. Just I mention here shopping. So once I click here shopping and I need to go to the filters and I will select this only the channels. So from this I will pick only the top three or top one and will export that how it will works. So let's go back to the UiPath Studio. So initially how what we need, so we need to just launch this browser. So launch browser or use application browser, whatever it may be. So as of now I am using as open browser. So you can go with these modern activities or you can go with the classic activities, depends upon you. So you can go anything is fine. So generally I want this YouTube link. Let me grab this YouTube link. So just I will type here YouTube and I will pick this YouTube. So youtube.com only. So just I taken and update this URL. Okay, and go to this properties next. So make which browser you want. So as of now, I will go with this Chrome browser. Okay, once you launch this browser, so the next step what we need, so we need to click on this filters. So let me take this click activity. So if you not use that filter now, then it will give some data like different. Let me show you that. So it's a mixed of these channel names and some other data is available. So just better to can take this filter and we can go with the next steps. So for that, I need to take this click activity. Let me take this click and I want to click on the filter. So anyway, the filter is standard. If you want, let me go and check inside what it will happen. Okay, it's loading a little bit late. Okay, that's fine, no problem. So the selector is a bit good. So once you click on that activity, then next, okay, we need to take one more click. So after this, we need to select this channel. So let me highlight this channel. Okay, done. These two steps done. So once you click on this channel, so it will got the data like this. Okay, now the next step. So we want to extract this data. So first of all, let me take this data scraping. So and I will take this shop zone and I will make it as channel name, channel name. And next I want to extract this another name. So when I go and check with the shop zone, so directly it won't get. So it having some name as at the rate the shop zone India at the rate way to shopping. So we don't know whatever exact name it will come. Sometimes it might be some different name it will come. Let me show you the different name as well. So if you see here food shopping and more, but if you see here food shopping 3936, when you go with this name, so we cannot find that 3936. So that's why we need to extract this as well. So let me extract correlated data as well. So I want only this data, nothing else. So let me click on this another thing. So now I will make this as a sub channel list. Sub channel list, or you can make it another name as well. So let me click on that next. So now we got this data. So still if you want the links, so you can fetch that links as well. So extract URL links as well. So now we got this full data. So if you see here at the rate shop India zone or at the rate way to shopping zone. So You can go with anything is fine. So for that, this one I will make it as channel link. Channel link. Now done. So next, I will save this data table. I don't want to click nothing. So this is done. So just I will go this here, and I want to make here as I want only the three data. So that's why I will give this three. If you want more, you can keep this more, not in a problem. So then now I want to change the scope of this variable. So what is this here? Data scraping, data table. Fine. So now I got this data table. So now I will save this data table into the one Excel file. So I'm taking this right range. So I'm taking this right range activity, right range workbook. So here I will make this path. I will save here only. So let me go to this input. So not I will go to the output, and I make new folder as challenge28. So inside I will make this folder. So let me copy this folder path. After this, channel list output. Else channel list dot xlsx. So and make sheet name as channel list and the data table. So whatever you are giving the data table here now, so just pass this data table. So I make it as extracted data table. I think so. Yes. So here I will make as extracted data table. So now whatever the data is there now, so we just scrape the data. That's fine. So next, so we want to go with the each by one link. So first of all, I need to go navigate to the shopping zone link. So let me go here and I want to loop it. So for each row in data table. So already I have this data in one variable now. So I've used the same variable. So extract data table. Okay. And next I want to use here web browser. So every time I will close and reopen that browser. So open browser. Okay, here I will pass this link. So current row of what is this 012 dot to string. So it will open that particular browser, and here you can use this build process, and you can make this process as chrome.exe. You can give the same thing downside process name. So whatever the Chrome browser is, so it will kill that. So now it launched this particular browser. So let me go to this here. So I'm moving the shopping zone here first of all. So now next I need to go to this, click on this videos. So once you launch this URL now, so I need to go this videos. So let me take one click activity, or else you can make it as a forward link. So forward videos. So when you check here forward videos, it will come, or else you can go with click activity with this one videos. So anything is fine. So now I will go with this click activity itself. So let me take this click again, and I want to click on the video. So here every time the shopping zone videos, it will come like this now. So we need to go to open an UI Explorer, and you can check this. So title is the shopping zone. So let me make this as this star and validate it. Okay, it's not validating. Let me indicate one more time. So sometimes it having the issues with that. So we need to identify that how we can take this. So let me check it now. So now it's highlighting. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me remove this shop zone. So we don't know what name it will come, or else you can pass this variable. So we have this variable from the Excel side now. So you can pass this. So anything is fine here. So I will go with the star only. It's good. Okay, now this is done. Just click on that save. So it will click on this, that one means it will click on this videos. So now we want to extract this one more data table. So let me scrape it here. So now what I want to link of this particular video, and I need to get this name of the video and how many views are there and when it got posted. So let me scrap that. So I will click on this next. So when you check here, so now data just pick for the vertically or maybe the horizontal, I don't know. So just consider as a row. So now when you check here, the data pick as a, like a row. So this method is not getting. So what I will do, I will try to scrape another thing. I will go with the column wise. So here also I got data only for this right. So here I'm getting only, okay, why it's not extracting up. Okay, so what happened now here? So when you scroll down here, website is not loaded properly. So whatever the data is loaded now, till that it will extract that data. Okay, now the main agenda is we need just this is a use case. So if we get, I mean, not able to extract the data now. So now there is one more option. Select any of them here. Okay, once this is done, just click on that next and select the crossway. So we selected top one here. Then we selected the cross one, or you can select anywhere, any from there. So don't go with the down by down or side by side. Just changes one set of them. So now then here we can extract. So this is the name of the video or else video name, and next video video name, and I will take downside as video link. Okay, extracted link as well. So now we got this video name and video link, and next what we want to, so we want to extract this views. So just extract a correlated data, just click on that. So now we'll check whether it will extract all, or we need to select again cross the way. So this also we need to do the same method. So let me take extract correlated data. So next I will select this 24K views. Okay, down. So now this column name as views. And finally we want to extract one more column. So let me take extract correlated data and with when it got published. So when you check here 4 months ago, and next this should be there. Okay, this is published date or published, or you can make it as let it be published. Okay, now done. So when you check the data, so whatever the columns we required now, so all the columns has been done. Okay, so now we got this video name and this video link, how many views are available particular videos, and we can see 3.5K whatever it may be coming, and now we got this publisher date as well. So let it be, so whatever the rows is available, it's can extracted. So I'm just click on it finish. So I don't want to go the multiple pages, so multiple pages is not required. Now done. Okay, my data scraping is done. So I will make the name as here I will make it as temp. I will make it as temp extracted data table. Fine. So next I want to change the scope of the variable. Let me change to data scraping. Okay, now this is done. So after what we want to do, so I want to create the one folder with that name of the channel, and I need to update the data into there. So now I will create here. Just take it as create folder. Create folder. So just drag and drop this create folder and where you want to create that. So I want to create this particular here. This is the folder I want to create. So let me update folder after this channel name. So what is my channel name means I'm getting from this here. Where is look here? So current row of 0 channel name. We'll check that one, not any problem. So I will, as of now, I'm go with this current row of, so 1 2 is the link and one is okay 0 dot to string. So now it got created that folder as well. So next we want to save that file. So let me take this same activity which we used earlier here, right range workbook. Just I'm updating here, and this is the my link. After this plus, so this is my file name. Under this folder, I want to create this forward slash. So this is the folder. Okay, under that folder, I want to create this Excel file. Plus, at the end, we need to give dot Excel sx. So it will save that particular data in this particular folder. So once this is done, so we want to remove the data from the data table. Remove data, not the data column. Let me data table. So sometimes we are forgetting the name of the activity. So let me check here. Clear data table. So let me update here. My data table is temp extracted data table. So now this is done. So let me close this browser and will run. So what it will run exactly, or it will might be the throw. We'll check that. So let me run this. Click on the continue. Okay, it launched this browser. Okay, youtube.com. Okay, so what I did now, so I forget to add the data here. So let me take this type into. So there you can take whatever it may be. So you can go with this shopping zone or whatever it may be. So I'm going here as shopping. So let me check selector. Okay, fine. Okay, let me close this and running this part again. So when you practice more, it might be get easy done. So if you're not practicing and if you want to try to automate, it's very difficult. So again, one mistake I did, which is means one click is missing. Which click means click on this search icon. So sometimes it will happen. So we need to very hyper care. You need to very alert. So when you are doing this kind of automations. So let me click this. Now fine, search library also done. So we'll see whether it will work or not. Still anything is missing there. So let's it run. Okay, it's click shopping zone. It's clicked, and now yeah, this is fine. Now it will go to the channels and it will extract this particular data, and later it will extract all the data and kill that browser. It going to one by one channel and fetching that links, name of the channel, views, and when it got published. So we'll see what type of okay, we have to wait till execution. So maybe now it extracting the data. We'll see whether it will extract it or it have some any error. Okay, it throw the error. So Chrome application title is shopping. So this is having some issue. So we'll check what is this exact issue here. So let me edit selector. Okay, but everything is done now. So Chrome and shopping zone YouTube. So let me do one more activity here. The same thing extraction. So now I got error, but I don't know what is the exact issue. So let me try to check. Okay, only one link is enough for me. Finish. I don't want to extract more columns. So now I will go to this properties and I will check this. Okay, that's cool. Edit selector. Okay, Chrome shopping title zone. Then why it's not? extracted data here. Validate. The same thing I got from here. Nothing is different. Chrome title, shopping dot. Okay, everything is same. Let me validate it. Okay, I will do this as the store as of for the temporary purpose. So let me close this browser and we'll run one more time. We'll check so what type of errors it will come or might be it will run. Okay, now it's entered the shopping and filtered. Okay, it's extracted. Okay, so we'll wait. We need to run one more time. So browser has killed, but whether data has been extracted or not, we don't know. So we need to check that. So if you want to avoid that restore web pages, so you can go with this incognito mode. So it will come. Let me check extracted data table. Okay, extracted data table is empty. So don't know what is this issue again. Let me check. Okay, this also got again error. Um, Validate. Again, we got this error. Let's fix that error as well. So if you want to fix, then again the same thing we need to do this scraping method. Okay, and that Chrome is closed. I will go this little shopping. Okay, let me scrape one more time. Okay, done. I don't have the data. Okay, now let's check what selector is available here. So it's having some big name contents. Okay, open UI Explorer, and we'll try to remove that big name. So whatever we got this some body, some XYZ now. So let me remove the CSS selector, and we'll try to navigate. So validation is also done. Okay, it's extracting. This is fine. So I will copy this. Let's go back to UiPath Studio, and we have this original data script one which we created earlier. So go there and edit selector, remove this and paste this. So it's highlighting. Let me run one more time. So while developing automation, these kind of errors are very common. So you have to bear with that kind of errors. After doing all the steps, so we'll get the solution. So directly we cannot get the solution. So we have to stick and bear some time. Then we'll get the solution. Now we'll see whether it will work or it will throw any other errors. Okay, now it extracted. Still data not showing. Here I have added the two steps. So one is the delay and another one is in the Explorer. So I have added one extra edit selector here. So let me show that as well. Okay. So when you check here, so CSS selector body and tag is equal to body. So this I added, and the same thing you need to add this downside. We have one more scrape method, isn't it? So add for the both side. So let me run this one more time. I think now I checked, so it's working fine. So we'll hope for the best. Now we need to run. Okay, it's clicked sharp and select this channel as a filter. and it extracted this data. And make sure that, so I'm taking here only the three channels. And one more, the thing is, it won't load all the, if I have this thousand of the videos, but whatever the loaded on the particular screen, it will scrape that particular data only. So let me run continue. Now it's open this first, we have the shopping zone, and next we have this another, okay, way to shopping. So click on this videos and extracted the data. Okay, maybe it will throw error here. I'm not sure. So, but anyway, we got that one. How we can scrape the data, extracted data. So we'll see what error it will throw here. We'll just have a look on it. What type of error it's coming. Okay, it's thrown this error as title one, but we're not given anything title. Let me stop this and we'll check this one. Okay, okay. So I will make this as a star. So we change this star in the top side, but not change in this down side. We have one more, no? So I have not changed. So there you can just pass the variable. So better you can make it star. Anyway, we are not going to the multiple browsers. Huh? Better you can, anything is fine. Okay, this is last time. So I will run. So still, if you're not get to able to solve, so please comment on the comment section. I will try to help you. Hey, I put the break timer. So let me run this. And if you have any challenges want to do like this, so just try to question on the comment section. I will try to help you. Okay, now it's working fine. Okay, now we just extracted for the three set of data, and I'm going to the output. So this is the my output file. So in this output file, I have the channel list, and we can see this. So if it is shopping zone, I can go and I will check this data. So what data we extracted? Uh, okay, maybe I have not written this correct data table. So that's why. So I will show you here. So this not should be the extracted data table. This should be temp extracted data table. Not that one. So in for loop. So just to change that, so it will work. So here extracted data table, now this not should be that extracted data. This should be the temp extracted data table. So this is a way how we can scrape the data from the YouTube site.